Welcome to another exciting TLE-AFA learning session. Party popper. In this lesson, Grade 8 learners explore important skills in food processing, from accurately scaling recipes to choosing suitable packaging and creating clear, truthful food labels. Bullseye. In this lesson, learners will learn how to checkmark compute recipe quantities using the factor method. Checkmark use the percentage method to determine ingredient proportions. Checkmark convert common kitchen measurements and maintain unit consistency. Checkmark compare different food packaging materials. Checkmark match packaging to the needs of different processed food products. Checkmark identify important information required on food labels. Checkmark create and improve a sample food product label. Checkmark apply accuracy, food safety, consumer responsibility, and environmental awareness. Pushpin lesson topics. Keycap 1 factor method for recipe quantification. Keycap 2 percentage method and unit conversion. Keycap 3 packaging materials and product fit. Keycap 4 food label design and revision. Keycap 5 performance task. Sample food label design. Keycap 6 whole lesson review. Light bulb. Remember, accurate recipe plus right package plus clear label equals safer, more trusted food product. This presentation is designed to make learning more engaging through visual examples, step-by-step computations, food processing photos, activities, review questions, and practical applications. Woman teacher perfect for Grade 8 TLE-AFA learners, teachers, classroom instruction, modular learning, and review activities. Thumbs up if this video helps you. Please like, subscribe, and share to support more educational content.